So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is traducianism. So, when we say traducianism, it is the view that the human soul, along with the body, is generated from the parents at conception. This means that both body and soul are passed down from Adam through ordinary generation, explaining why all humans inherit a sinful nature. This position contrasts with creationism, the belief that God creates a new souls for each person directly. Traducianism accounts for original sin and humanity solitary in Adam. Our souls are not created neutral, but we are conceived in. This reminds us that the depth of our need for redemption in Christ, the second Adam, who alone can give us new life. So, ayon po sa Psalm chapter 51 verse 5, surely I was sinful at birth, sinful from the time my mother conceived me. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, that traducianism teaches human soul came from human parents. So, ibig sabihin, ang kaluluwa ng tao ay galing din sa ating mga magulang. Hindi lang ang katawan. Humans inherited Adam's sinful nature. So, humans inherited Adam's sinful nature. So, namamana natin mula kay Adan ang kasalanan likas ng tao. Kaya tayong lahat ay nagkakasala. Human needs Christ to become a new creation. And human needs Christ to become a new creation. So, dahil tayo magkasalanan, kailangan natin si Kristo para maging bagong nilalang, malinis at may bagong buhay. And sa applications, admit that we sin by choice and by nature. So, aminin natin na tayo ay nagkakasala, hindi lang dahil gusto natin, kundi dahil ito ay nasa ating likas bilang tao. Accept the free gift of salvation by faith and accept the free gift of salvation by faith. So, tanggapin natin ang libreng kaligtasan na binigay ni Kristo sa pamamagitan ng pananampalataya, abide at in Christ and live by God's grace. And abide in Christ and live by God's grace. So, mamuhay tayo ng kasama sa Kristo at umasa sa biyaya ng Diyos sa araw-araw ating pamumuhay. And alam po, maraming salamat.